want to give us a little bit of dance. Oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit. God damn. Why did she do that? God damn. These girls are so beautiful, bro. I don't know where they came. Thing is like now off the chain right now. Because all of these $60 million a year salary can afford. They are in that kind of league right now. Everybody else, we have the UFC, and then we have NBA Summer League. That's how it starts too. It just starts like, you know what I mean? We live! Where is everybody watching from? Tell me. Everybody tell me, where are you guys watching from? Wow, I can see the image coming through the phone. The boyfriend is trying to walk and she's waving at me. Oh Lord. She's waving at me. The boyfriend is like, come here. She almost fell. If she was to fall, she would have broken up with him. Wow, look how many people are here. Holy shit. What's up, guys? Oh shit. Vegas PD. They're outnumbered today. They're gonna need the civilians' help, that's for sure. the way how these people are, like the number of people that you see, versus like you see like 4 cops there. What are they gonna do?
guys are amazing! How the hell do you guys know that? Gee, you're from the 80s. You should be in bed by now. Or at home watching Golden Girls or something. But you're out here getting wasted on Fremont. at midnight. God bless you all. Hi, guys. Well, again, my name is Zoe Bowie, and we are so absolutely thrilled to be here tonight with people from all over the world. And I'd like to bring out the considerably better half of this act, Jamie Lynch, everyone. Somebody asked if he would do a song dedicated to all the single crazy bubbles out there tonight. You came looking for some trouble.
Let's do it.
Trying to express your independence, even a week after 4th of July.
That's right. Ladies, this one's for you if you know it's sing along. We were good, we were gold, kind of dream that can't be so. We were right till we